Hi all, welcome to another video presentation. This is gonna be one of the world's greatest discoveries. It's like transforming you guys to think beyond your boundaries. This is how how I think how we can get best out of the tool. So I have done some bit of proof of concepts, videos, experiments on robot framework, and hey, I thought about how about we use robot framework for robotic process automation, which is talk of the town topic. Yes, here it goes. How we can use robot framework for robotic process automation. So what is RPA? It's the robotic process automation is an application of technologies that allows employees in a company to configure computer software like robots to capture, interpret existing applications and process the transactions, manipulate the data, triggering actions and response, and communicating with so many vast digital devices. So this is robotic process automation. You automate the things human interact with the applications which are currently available in your organization. We allow these applications, which we call themselves the automated robots, to perform rather than human beings. So why? There are a lot of robotic process automation talk going on, and everyone is using a lot of tools like UiPath, which is an open source, and also commercial tools like WorkFusion, Blue Prism. But I found a different way we can implement another fantastic tool for the robotic process automation. It's robot framework. So how can we use robot framework for RPA? So say that you have web UI applications, online invoice applications, online inventory applications. So robot framework can be used with Selenium library to automate these UI functionalities, to create an invoice, to edit an invoice, to delete an invoice, to create a customer for your invoice. So we have covered that functionality with robot framework. Say you have desktop applications, invoice, stock control applications. So robot framework provides AutoIT library and SQL library to automate these Windows desktop applications. So you can automate the invoice creation process, the book inventory process, which you are doing it manually. Robot framework with these libraries helps you. So you have plenty of Excel files which has account details, audit details. You want to automate this, you want to feed into the system. With the new Excel library robot framework provides, you can read data in the Excel sheets, multiple worksheets, and even write to these worksheets. With the Excel library you can do so. Say you have processes, services, or web services which generate XML files. You want to feed these to the system. Feed these to your inventory systems, feed these to your employee systems. You can feed this XML data through XML library provided in robot framework. Fantastic, guys. Which robot framework can provide. Absolutely, now 50% of your tasks have been done with the robotic process automation using robot framework. Say you have Windows application, run a process, kill a process, check information about the memory details, system information. You can use the operating systems library and perform this functionality. You can perform functionalities in your Windows machines with robot framework deployed. connecting to remote machines in another country which you have in your organization. SSH library provides remote connection, remote invocation of shell scripts in Linux machines also. So you can connect to remote machines to SSH. Say you have web services internally which does some processing on documents, processing activities like attendance. You can allow robot framework to automate this using REST instance library, sending a put, post, pull, or a simple get web services. Robot framework does that for you. So there are a lot of libraries, even automating your mobile applications. So look at robot framework, use it for RPA. It is RPA ready. So why robot framework for RPA? Free and open source tool like UiPath, but based on Python it is much faster than UiPath. Flexible creation of RPA scenarios. You can import multiple libraries and interact with multiple libraries in a single scenario. Easy to create. You should not learn coding. You can just with the keywords create RPA scenarios, robotic process automation scenarios. Much more functionalities than other RPA tools, rather than even has much more libraries than UiPath. Much more functionalities you can achieve. So download our robotic process automation, robot framework, download it and use it for robotic process automation. This is one of the first thought process that I am giving to my community. Thank you guys. More libraries will be introduced, functionality will be introduced with video sessions. So stay tuned. If you like this video, please put a like on the LinkedIn post.